When it comes to detail engineering survey services in Noida Sector 76, SCON Design is the leading provider in the industry. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, they offer top-notch survey services that cater to the specific needs of clients in this sector. SCON Design understands the importance of accuracy and precision in engineering surveys, and their attention to detail sets them apart from their competitors. SCON Design's detail engineering survey services in Noida Sector 76 encompass a wide range of areas. From land surveys to infrastructure surveys, they have the expertise and resources to handle any project. Whether it's determining boundary lines or assessing the feasibility of a construction project, SCON Design's team of surveyors is well equipped to provide accurate and reliable data. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design for detail engineering survey services in Noida Sector 76 is their use of advanced technology. This not only saves time, but also enhances the overall quality and accuracy of the survey data. Furthermore, SCON Design understands the importance of adhering to deadlines and delivering results within the specified timeframe. They work closely with their clients to determine project timelines and ensure that all surveys are completed on time. Their efficient project management system allows for seamless coordination between different teams and ensures that all tasks are completed in a timely manner. In addition to their technical expertise, SCON Design also places a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction. They prioritize open communication with clients and strive to understand their specific requirements and expectations. By providing personalized solutions and excellent customer service, they have built a reputation for being a reliable and trusted provider of detail engineering survey services in Noida Sector 76. SCON Design is the top supplier in the market for detailed engineering survey services in Noida Sector 76. They provide excellent survey services that are tailored to the particular requirements of clients in this industry, thanks to their years of experience and team of highly qualified professionals. SCON Design stands out from its rivals thanks to their attention to detail and understanding of the value of precision and accuracy in engineering surveys. The scope of SCON Design's detail engineering survey services in Noida Sector 76 is extensive. They have the knowledge and resources to tackle any project, from land surveys to infrastructure surveys. SCON Design's team of surveyors is qualified to give precise and trustworthy information, whether it be for establishing boundary lines or evaluating the viability of a construction project. SCON Design's usage of cutting-edge technology is one of the main benefits of selecting them for detail engineering survey services in Noida Sector 76. They carry out their surveys with the utmost precision by using cutting-edge hardware and software. This not only saves time, but also improves the survey data's overall accuracy and quality. SCON Design is also aware of how critical it is to meet deadlines and produce outcomes in a